One thing which is great about KSPL is in terms of the faculty that they're bringing in. They're bringing some of the top faculty in the world, which are renowned in terms of their research, the partnership with the Judge Business School, um, some of the top researchers, top academics in the world um, are coming in here, and they are actually sharing their own research. So it's not only something which they have read, but something which they themselves have worked on. They're sharing that with people here in Pakistan. So it is a great opportunity for managers here to learn from some of the best in academics and apply that to their respective fields. The other thing is, I think, in terms of if you look at the Pakistani scenario and you look at the number of top quality schools here in Pakistan, there are only a handful that you can count on your fingers. But if you look at the number of people, the number of companies, the number of managers, they're enormous, right? So there is a huge untapped market which remains, and for that there is a genuine need for managers to benefit out of that. If you compare ourselves, Pakistan, to a neighboring country, for example, if you look at India, for example, you see that there are a number of top universities, the ISBs, for example. There are number of schools, and the reason, and I would say one of the key drivers to their growth, where now India, along with China, some of these other industries, some of these other countries are growing so much, is that they have invested in education. They have invested in training their managers, and they're really reaping the benefits. There are other reasons as well, but for me, this is one key reason in terms of their qualified human resource capital, and part of that is the good quality education that their country themselves has provided. There is a huge need to have institutions like KSPL, who provide excellent education, taking into account the local conditions, because not all of what is taught outside is directly applicable to the Pakistani market, and therefore there is a great need, I think, KSPL is satisfying in terms of providing top quality education, really tailor made for the Pakistani market in order to develop human resource.